Go to the other side. There. There we go, Maddie. Careful. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Watch your steps. There, the gate is there. Slowly, Maddie. There you go, the gate. The gate is there. There. Where do you want to go? Here, the horse. Okay. You hold tight. I will. Go. Yay! Careful, you must hold. Careful. Hold tight, Maddie. Tell me if you want to go down. Oops. Tell me if you want to go down, huh? Maddie there. Oh, you can ride. Wait. You want to go out, down? Okay, wait. It's a zebra. Whoopsie. Okay. Hey. Careful. Careful. Yeah, wait. I need to go out. I know. I'll help you. Down. Oopsie. Oh, then. Go to the stairs, Maddie. There. You want to go slide? Okay. It's up to you. You wait, but you wait for your turn. Yeah. Again there. Okay, hold tight.